If you're experiencing login issues on Substack, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any type as OK sensitivity in your password. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email ad accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If you've tried all the above steps and still can't log in, reach out to Substack support team for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Substack. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.